are now walking, going to the beach. Terminal, Southeast Tour, and buses. Pwede man, nagtagataig to Starlight Ferries Port. Yun do, biyahe hay. Maniya sa dakon. Southwest Bus. Cebu Pacific. Wow, fresh air. Ferries, guys. And then reach. Nice view. Taking pictures. Matur anay ako Matur anay ako pa-picture anay ko muna. Okay, so we are currently in the Caticlan Port. So I'm just gonna give you a quick tour. This side is parking area, parking lot. There's ferries over there, some Starlight ferries. Most of the time, there's a, what's this called? Biyahe going to, from Caticlan to Batangas Port. So nice. There are so much over there. Some people are doing bike. What's this called? That's, I think, the private small boat for special people, or I don't know. But I think, yeah, this for special people. This port right now is not working from here, I mean to this port, because they changed the area where you can go to other island, which is Boracay. Boracay is over there, I think, or that's no. Aturo island at aturo Boracay gid man ho. Dato or dato sa pihak? Dato. Oh, okay. Pictures.